Hey everybody, welcome to the world premiere of the Tampa Pete Lottery Scratch-Off Theater. Today, we are going to be scratching the very first book, a Monopoly book, 29 cards, the Monopoly Secret Vault. There's over 329 million in prizes. There's over 131 million in prizes from 100 to 500. With a top prize of $5 million. We have the bonus play, we have the winning vault numbers, and your numbers. If you flip it over, it gives you the instructions. You have the Monopoly guy, you'll win that prize as shown. You get a battleship symbol, you win 5 times the prize as shown. You get the race car, you win 10 times the prize as shown. Get the go symbol and win $200 automatically. For 20 bucks, you get the waterworks, you get 20 bucks. For the railroad, you get 50 bucks. For the hotel, you get 100 bucks. And for the community chest, you get 500 bucks. And for $1,000, you get the hat symbol. That's 1,000 bucks. The odds are 1 in 2.95. By chance, if we hit the $2,884,920, that's what you get to take home in a lump sum single payment. So we're going to start with this book here, the very first at the Tampa Pete Theater.